Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install FastAPI in Python on Mac. Before we begin the installation, let me show you which version of Python is installed on my Mac. To print the version of Python installed on your Mac, all you have to do is write on your terminal Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. If you hit enter, that's going to give you the version of Python installed on your Mac. For me, it is 3.13.5, which happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now let's begin the installation of FastAPI. So first, what we are going to do, we are going to create a project folder. And I'm going to create that folder on my desktop. So let me go to my desktop using the cd command. Over here, using the mkdir command, I am going to create a folder which I am going to name as FastAPI underscore install. The moment I hit enter, a folder will be created on my desktop. Now I am going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Alright, we are inside the folder FastAPI underscore install. Here we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. And the command to create a virtual environment is very simple. It is python 3 -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. So I am going to name it as FastAPI underscore venv. Let's hit enter. And if this command doesn't throw any error, that means the virtual environment is successfully created. There you go, no error. That means virtual environment FastAPI underscore venv is successfully created. Let's check, by the way, if it is created or not. So I am going to do ls space -l. This command is going to show us whether FastAPI underscore venv is created or not. And you can see there is no question of it being not created because it appears over here. Now we will activate this virtual environment FastAPI underscore venv. The command to activate the virtual environment is source space the name of the virtual environment, which is FastAPI underscore venv /bin /activate. The moment I hit enter, you can see the virtual environment FastAPI underscore venv is active. Now the time has come to install the FastAPI library. The command to install FastAPI is pip install FastAPI, and after that you are going to write uvicorn. What is uvicorn? It is the server that will run your app. And let's hit enter now. You can see the installation has begun. And there you go. It ended pretty soon. And I'm so happy to see this message successfully installed. You know, apart from other libraries, it has installed our main library, which is FastAPI 0.116.1. Now we are going to test its successful installation ourselves. To do that, we are going to start a Python prompt. How do we start a Python prompt? By just writing Python 3 and hitting enter. There you go, a Python prompt has started. Within the Python prompt, we are going to write from FastAPI import FastAPI. Notice the difference between the cases of both the FastAPIs, and we are going to hit enter. Now, if this import statement executes successfully, and it has, it means we have successfully installed FastAPI. Now let's create our app as well. So we are going to write app equals to FastAPI, and I am going to hit enter now. Now let's write the same 2 lines of code within a Python script called app.py. So it will be from FastAPI import FastAPI, and then we'll write app equals to FastAPI. Let's save this. And let's run this by writing uvicorn app app space hyphen reload. Let's hit enter. And there you go. Our server has started. All you need to do right now is open a browser and type this URL in the URL bar. So it will be http://127.0.0.1. We'll write the port, which is 8000 /docs. Let's hit enter. And there you go. And this proves that your FastAPI app is running fine. But since we only wrote 2 lines of code, there are no endpoints defined yet. And that is what it says. No operations defined in spec. But the bottom line is we have successfully installed FastAPI in Python on Mac. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install FastAPI in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.